Hello there, I'm going to show you how to create a test for chapter 7. So I'm going to go to add an activity or resource because this is going to be a quiz and a quiz is an activity. So I'll scroll down and look for quiz. It's really a test, but that's just kind of how we use it. It's weighted as a test. And so we're going to put in here chapter 7 test. I'm not going to put any type of timing restrictions on it, and that's something you can go and edit, but you can change when it starts and when it opens and when it closes. The graded area we're going to put in the category of, let's do end of chapter tests. Well, let's do final quiz, midterm. Either way, you can move this back whenever you find a place that you want it to go. Unlimited attempts, we're going to just change that to 1 since this is an exam. Let's do a question every 5 questions. The page will change, and when they want to, they can click on submit, but they're not going to be able to go back and change their answers. So that's not adaptive feedback because this is an exam. I do the activity completion rule when the student receives the grade, just so that you'll get a little check mark letting you know. Then I'm going to click on save and display. No questions have been added, which we know that because we just created it. So we're going to edit this quiz. And I'm going to add from a question bank. And I'm going to choose from chapter 7. And for now, I'm going to assume you want to add all questions. So I'm going to do show all 43 questions. Click on this sign here to add all of the questions. And then I'm going to add these selected questions to the quiz. If you want to go back and remove some of these questions to make it a smaller quiz, you can click on the trash can by the questions you don't want. And then you click on repaginate, which will break it down so it's 5 questions per page again. So right now, when I click on preview, I'm going to see the 5 questions per page, and I'll be able to click the next page. And just in case students are sitting beside each other, you can click shuffle, and that's just going to shuffle the questions. So all the students are going to get the same 43 questions. However, question 1 may be different than question 1 for a classmate. And since this is a test, I'm going to put 100 for the maximum grade. The marks it really doesn't matter because the Moodle is going to automatically give each quiz question the same weight. So I click on save, just to keep that in there. And then you'll see that these are all multiple choice questions, multiple choice because of the 3 little dots here. If I keep scrolling down, all 43 questions are multiple choice. So now when the student comes back out to their class, they can scroll down to Monday, January 11th, and I'm not sure if that's where you want it to be. So if you want to move it down, you can just click this arrow and drag it, to here. And today is the 27th, so I'm just going to move it further down. Let's put it right here. Yeah, I'll keep moving it. I'll move it down to, let's see, that's chapter 7, chapter 7, chapter 7, test, chapter 7. All right, so I found your the test area, so I'm going to put it right there. I'll just put it at the bottom of this module. And if that's not what you were asking for, please let me know. I'll be glad to help you out any other way.